Stop past Walmart, but I can't find a sporting section. Sporting goods, real quick. You know, Walmart is popping right now. There we go, sports and outdoors, guys. I ran out of some curly tail baits. I know I'm keep saying curly tail, but like rig tail baits here. All right, let's see if we can get them. Let's see. Where is that bait? There it is. These guys right here, it's crappie killers. They only $1.99. Okay, what color did I had these? All right, these the ones I had. I want to get a different kind as well. But they got frogs. This stuff is gonna be good going forward. I'm gonna get me one of these. I love Walmart prices. The places to go to get what you need. Got one more of these. So I got the frog. I got these guys. Should I get white? Should I just stick with these guys? A lot of the colors are missing or just not here. I need that chartreuse color. What are these, like tubes? It's white. Is white an option or the green? Still green. Green is green. We'll deal with that later. We're gonna definitely get these. But I don't know if I want these because they the same for the most part. Not a lot of colors, man. The colors are not there. How about these guys with the pink head? I think I'll get that. Rigged pearl tails, guys. Yeah, I think that's gonna go 1, 2, and 3. These some good jig heads for bigger baits. Wow. Bigger bait jig. I think I'm gonna get this while I'm here. And all I gotta do is add bigger baits when I want it. Yep. Frisky frog. Alright, that's it. Wasn't really trying to go shopping. Somebody was just here. They disappeared. Somebody was just here. Look at that. Could have went here and got all the live bait that you want. Fat, juicy red worms. You got your millies down there. Cool hunting hats. Walmarts are the best, but you gotta go to certain Walmarts because some of them the shelves be vacant and they be hurting. That concludes my Walmart shopping for now. There was a guy back here. He disappeared. It would have made it much easier if the guy was still here to fix this, cash me out. Now you gotta wait in the longer lines. Dagnammit. Oh, what's that I see? With all them hunting rifles. Oh boy. That's the game I want to get into at some point. Look at that. State laws. going hunting. Look at that joint. That joint says that was nice. That's nice. It's real nice. Them igloos up there, really solid coolers. How about that? Very nice. All right, so my guy didn't come back yet. All right, we gotta go cash out. No.